In this video, I will walk you through the assembly of the Laguna Fusion table saw. First, we remove the packaging and unbox the saw. Everything is very well placed to minimize damage during shipping. Next, I remove the upper foam section and started removing the pieces for the base unit. The base consists of 4 pieces, each connected by 2 bolts at their corresponding intersections. Remove the bottom panel so it can be bolted on later. I now tip the saw on its side so I can bolt the base to the saw and also bolt the bottom panel underneath the base. Once you are done tightening down the bolts, it's time to flip the saw up. And then remove the plastic covering the cast iron and wipe off the oil. We can now bolt the steel wing to the cast iron tabletop. And repeat for the other side. Now, using a level, we adjust the wings to be even with the cast iron tabletop. Then install the back support braces. Now unback the power switch and slide into the channel on the aluminum fence rail. Then loosely bolt the left side of the fence rail to the table, followed by the right side. Then adjust the center with the center of the blade. The 2 hooks are screwed to the plastic shroud, and then it is attached to the left side of the saw. This will hold the fence when not in use. We can now connect power and start it up to see how smooth it runs. If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, comment, and share.